area is the inside of a shape. So when we figure out the area, we are figuring out how much space is covered on the inside of the shape. We talked about perimeter before. Perimeter is measuring the distance around the outside, and area is on the inside. Now, area is done in square units. So this square here is 1 square, we'll say it's 1 square centimeter. It's about 1 square centimeter because this side here is 1 centimeter, this side here is 1 centimeter, same with this side and this side. And because each side is a centimeter, that 1 square there is 1 square centimeter. Now, so when we measure area, our units are always square units. So I repeat, when we measure area, our units are always square units. Now to figure out the area of this rectangle, it's very, very simple. It's very, very easy. All I need to do is count those squares on the inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 squares there. So my answer for area is 15 square units. Now, I can write square units another way as well. I can write down 15, and I could put units with a little 2 above it, and that means square units as well. But the important thing there to remember is that the units for area is always square units. Now, another way to figure this out without counting all those squares, I can count the top row, and there's 3 there, and then I can count how many are in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's just like an array, and I can multiply these two numbers. 5 times 3 also gives me my 15 square units. That only works for areas of rectangles. Now if we're over here, this shape here is obviously not a rectangle, so the way to figure out the area of that is simply to count these squares on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the area of this one is 14 square units. And it's always easier when you're counting to always start in similar spots. Like I always like to start up in the upper left hand corner and work my way down and across. So you want to make sure that you count every single square, that you're not skipping all over the place so you'd miss spots. So once again, area is the insides of the shape. We're measuring how much area that shape covers, and to get it we basically count those squares, and the units are always square units.